Okay, this is our 15 unit, living beings. In previous class, we discussed about cold-blooded animals and warm-blooded animals. Cold-blooded and warm-blooded, these both are vertebrates. Vertebrates means there are vertebral column in backbone. There is backbone. We have discussed about this in earlier class. And today uh, we'll discuss types of classification of vertebrates. Classification of vertebrates. They are 5 species: fish group, amphibians, frog group, reptilia, lizard group, apes, birds group, and mammalia, human group. Okay, these are the basic 5 classification of vertebrates according to their habitat, their habits. According to their habits and habitat, they are classified into 5 groups, 5 classes. These are those 5 groups. Then, okay, then first comes fishes. Fishes means these are fish group. We know what is the physical structure of fish by considering the fish. We can say some physical characteristics of this group, that is fishes. Okay, and these are water animals. They live in water, and they have their tails and their paired fins. Paired means left side one, right side one. Paired fins, and paired fins helps to swim in water. And there is presence of scales also. There is presence of scales also. Scales help to protect body from external injury, external wound. They fishes are protected by scales, and they have gills. They have gills. Gills help for respiration, for breathing. In water, in water, oxygen is dissolved. Oxygen is dissolved in water, and that dissolved water is extracted by these gills. Gills are uh, specialized structure which is present in fish in pairs, one in right side and another in right side, just at the position of ears, like our ears. Okay, and uh, there are two kinds of fishes, bony and cartilaginous. We have already discussed this. Yes, uh, and largest group of fishes or bony. Most of the fishes are bony fishes, and they are uh, many in numbers. Okay, and they are found both in fresh water and salt water. Fresh means river water, pond water, and salt water means in ocean, in sea, because in ocean there is salt. Due to salt, water is salty, and in that salt water, these bony fishes are yeah, living there. And most of the bony fishes have a gas-filled sac. Gas-filled sac. That gas-filled sac help to make the body lighter. There is gas. Due to gas, bone becomes lighter, and it helps to make the body swim easily in water. Okay, and this gas filled sac the sac. Sac means pocket or bladder. These are called swim bladder or ear bladder. Okay. In this way, bony fishes have these characteristics. Another, these are examples of some bony fishes: milkfish, catfish, electric eel, etc. Others, cartilaginous fish, that means boneless fish. These fishes have no bone, only cartilage is present. Cartilage means very soft tissue which is just like bone but not so strong. And most of the fishes of this group are found in salt water. Cartilage fishes are found in salt water. Okay, they are not found in fresh water. They are not found in river water, pond water. These cartilaginous fishes are found in salt water. That means in ocean or in sea. They have upper and lower movable jaw. Upper movable jaw and lower movable jaw. They can move up and down. And they have teeth, several rows of sharp teeth. These teeth are bone. Okay, these teeth are bone. Other bodies are cartilaginous. In this way, and shark is also cartilaginous fish. Look here, is shark. Shark is very strong, powerful fish found in sea water, salty water, and it has very sharp teeth. Look here, you can see here, very sharp teeth. You can see here, these teeth are very sharp. These teeth are very sharp, and this is bony structure. But in body there is in body in body there is cartilage. In body there is no bone, only cartilage is present. Due to cartilage, the body is very flexible. Okay, very flexible. Okay, these are uh, mm, these uh, these figures are the examples of cartilaginous fishes. One is rage. This, look here, rage. This is also one fish. It also has upper and lower movable jaw. Can move up and down. Uh, and here is another, skates. Skates is also one type of fish which is found in ocean. It is also very strong fish. These are few examples of cartilaginous fishes. Now, benefits of the species. What are the benefits of fishes? That means sources of income. By fish farming, we get money. We can earn money. Therefore, it is our one importance of fishes. Importance. Okay. Uh, and why the fishes are so important for us? Another is food, nutrient. Fish fish is proteinous uh, animal. Due to flesh of fish, we get protein, and fishes are used as food. Another, protect our environment. Fishes survive in water, and in water there is decayed part, uh, uh, bacteria decay dead parts of plants and animals. Those dead parts are eaten by fishes, and dirty is reduced in water. Dirty in water is reduced, and they help for the protection of environment. These three are the importances of fishes. Sources of income: we get money by fish farming, by selling fishes. Another, for food, we use fishes for nutrient, yes, for protein. protect our environment. Fishes protect our environment. Therefore, fishes are very much important. Okay, now another, birds. Look at number 4 in your book, page number 95. Aves, birds, yes, birds. The sequence is changed here. Okay. Anyway, we'll discuss all about all the 5 categories of vertebrates. Okay. Uh, Aves. Okay. Before that, we move to second. Okay. Second, that is amphibia. Amphibia. Let's move to amphibia. Uh, Amphibia means, look here, in number 2, there is amphibia, frog group. Amphibia means life cycle completes in water and on land. The first phase of, generally, first phase of these animals, first phase of life cycle completes in water. Lay eggs in water, and when water is hatched into animal, that animal jumps on the ground and on land, and second part of the life cycle is completed on land. First phase of life cycle is started in water, then second phase of life cycle is completed on land. Therefore, those type of animals are called amphibians. Amphibians are cold-blooded animals. I think I have already discussed about this. I've already told you that cold-blooded means body temperature is changed with the temperature of surroundings. If the surroundings, or if the surroundings temperature is very low, body also becomes cold. If the surrounding temperature is high, body temperature also increases. That type of animals are called cold-blooded animals. And they spend their life in water and part on land. Yes, first part is in water and second part of life cycle is on land. These animals have smooth body, smooth skin. Some may have moist, and some have warts, and these are scaleless. The skin has no scales. Scales are absent in skin. Body is very smooth. Look here. Here is one head of frog. Frog is, let us consider as frog. Frog have smooth skin, moist, always weighted with water, moist, and there is no scale in the skin. Okay, and amphibians are of two types. One is tailed amphibians with tail, and another is without tail. Tailed amphibians and without tail. Some amphibians have tail, some amphibians have no tail. The body is long. We can remember as we can consider as frog's body is long, and if they have tail, then tail become long. Okay, and two pairs of short legs, that means four legs are there. Lizard, we remember lizard is long, body is very long, and two pairs of short legs. Two pair of short legs are there, and some are entirely aquatics. Aquatic means they most of the time they spend in water, and some others in rock or logs. Logs means wood, old wood. That is log, and some animals live in moist places, moist. Okay, and they are active only at night. In daytime, they take rest. This tailed amphibians, tailed amphibia with tails. These become active only at night. In daytime, they take rest. They sleep. Okay, look here. Salamander is one type of amphibian. One amphibian. It has long body. It is a tail with tail. Therefore, tailed amphibian. And look here, two pairs of limbs. One four limbs and one pair hind limbs. These limbs are very short, not long. Look here, newt. Here is newt. This newt lives in stone. Where there is stone, they live in stone. They live at the shadow of stone, at the corner of stone. And here is a hellbender. Look here. This is also one amphibian, hellbender. These are few examples of tailed amphibian. And some are tailless, no tail. That means frog. That means frog, no tail. They have short, squat body, short. This frog has short body and lack of tails, no tails. In frog, there is no tail. And look here, their large, powerful hind legs. Hind legs means behind legs. Behind legs. Four legs means front leg. This yes, two legs, front legs. Hind legs means back legs. They are very long and very powerful. Due to that powerful long leg, they can jump high distance. They can jump high distance. And these animals, these amphibians, tailless amphibians go in hibernation. Hibernation means they hide for long time below rocks or underneath the logs inside shadow. This long hiding process of amphibians for long time, few months. That is called hibernation. And estivation means they come out. They do the process of hibernation and estivation where they sleep during winter and summer. Okay, hibernation means hiding for a long time. Estivation means come out to on the ground. Okay, therefore sometimes frogs will be absent on the ground, and in rainy season they come out. During winter season, during winter season they hibernate. They don't come out, but in summer, in rainy season they come out. Okay, these are few characteristics of tailless amphibian. Look here, these are frog. This is frog found in jungle. This is toad. Toad is also one frog category. This toad comes in rainy season, and in Nepali it is called bang. In Nepali it is called bang and makes sound of bang, make big sound, and that due to that sound it is very famous. Okay, toad, and its body is a little bit warty. You can see here warty skin. Generally their skin is very smooth. It is one exceptional case. Its skin is warty, rough skin, but it is not so strong. It is soft. Okay, even the skin is warty, it is soft, not strong. Look here. Here is another frog type. It is called red eye tree frog. Most of the time it remains on trees. Most of the time this frog lives in tree and feeds on insects and butterfly which come around tree. This is one exceptional frog. It is a kind of frog which has red eye color is red. Due to this, it is named as red eye tree frog. It lives on tree. Okay, these are few tailless frog. Now amphibians have certain importances. These amphibians are pest controller. Do you know this pest? Pest mean pest mean pest means that insects which destroy our crops. Pest means insects which destroy our crop. Okay, this pest means insects which destroy crops. Okay, pest means insects which destroy crops. Okay, this pest means these insects which destroy crops. Okay, therefore, best biological pest controllers. Frogs are called pest controllers because they feed on insects. When insects come in our field, and if there is frog feeds on insects, and our crops are protected. Therefore, these are pest controllers. Another, prey items. Prey means hunting insects. That means ahara, food. Okay, prey means food. Prey items for both vertebrates and invertebrates. That means uh, some vertebrates also feed on frog, and some invertebrates also feed on frog. Therefore, these are prey items. Prey items means shikar yogya vastu. Prey items means shikar yogya vastu. Vertebrate also eat frog, invertebrate also eat frog. Okay, snakes eat frog. Snake is vertebrate, and other salamander also sometimes if get chance to eat frog, salamander also can eat prey, this frog. Therefore, this is one feeding animal. It is like it becomes food for other animals. Okay, they are eaten by other animals. Good ecological indicators. That means if there is if there is presence of frog in nature, it indicates that the nature is good. Okay, good ecological indicators. That means if there is a presence of frog in any nature, in surroundings in nature, that means the nature is good. Okay, here it has become GIID. This is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. Good. Okay, nature becomes good. Nature becomes good. If there is presence of frog in nature, it indicates that the nature is good. Environment is good. Okay. If there is absence of these amphibians, that means the nature is a little bit, environment is destroyed. Environment is not good. Environment is bad. If there is presence of that frogs or amphibians, that means the environment is good there. Therefore, good ecological indicators. Okay, these frogs are considered as ecological indicators. Then others, Third uh, third groups of animals, vertebrates is reptilia. Reptilia means that they creep on ground. Reptilia means creep on ground. CREEP, creep on the ground, creep on the ground, creep on the ground. They cannot walk. Even they have legs, they cannot walk easily. They crawl on the ground. They toss by their chest on the ground and they move. Those type of animals are reptiles or reptilia. These are also cold-blooded animals. That means if the environment temperature increases, their body temperature also increases. If environmental temperature decreases, their body temperature also decreases. These are cold-blooded animals. And due to this, they regulate their body temperature using the environment. Yes, according to the environment, their body temperature changes, and they can survive both on land and in water also. Let's say that is crocodile. Crocodile is reptile, and it can survive in water also and on land also. We have seen snakes. Snakes can survive in water also, on land also. Okay. Mostly reptiles lay eggs, and from eggs they hatch their uh, offsprings. Their newly born offsprings are hatched from eggs. Reptiles lay eggs, and from eggs their babies are born. Fishes are also is egg-laying animal. Fishes also lay egg. Amphibians also lay egg. Okay, these also lay egg, and from egg they hatch their babies. Their body has scale. Their body also has scales, but it is different from amphibians, and they do not have gills. Reptiles do not have gills at any stage in their life cycle. Okay, fishes have gills whole lifetime. Amphibians have gills in first phase of life cycle when they are in water, and when they come on land, amphibians breathe in by lungs. But reptiles do not have gills at any stage in their life cycle. In any stage, they don't bear gills. They do not undergo metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means change of body structure from one form to another form. Okay, like frog, tadpole. From tadpole, frog is formed. Frog is formed. Frog. From tadpole, frog is developed. From tadpole. From tadpole, frog is developed. That means tadpole is one type of structure, and frog is another type of structure. Body structure is different. This type of body structure changing is called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means body structure changed from one type to another type. Then frog has metamorphosis, but amphibians, sorry, these reptiles have no metamorphosis. They do not undergo metamorphosis. Same body structure all the time, all the lifetime. Okay. Then look here. To make you easy, it is given one example of crocodile or alligator. Crocodile and alligator are both water animal, similar structure. One is long snout, one has long snout, and alligator has uh, mm, crocodile has blonde snout and alligator has long snout. Okay, they are largest living reptiles. Yes, largest living reptiles. Among reptiles, crocodile or alligator are the largest animal. They creep on the ground. Even they have legs, they creep on the ground by their chest. They have long snouts. Snouts means thutunu. Snouts, snouts. Snouts means thutunu. They have long snouts. Yes, we have seen crocodile in zoo and powerful jaws. Their jaw is very powerful. Once these animal, crocodile or alligator, catch any prey or any animal, it is very difficult to escape out because their jaws are very powerful and large teeth are there. Large teeth. Teeth are very large and they have long tails, muscular tails. Muscular tails. Crocodile have long tails, and these tails help to swim in water. These tail help to swim in water. These two types look very much alike. Look here. These two types, crocodile and alligator, looks alike, same to same. But arrangement of their teeth and their snouts are slightly different. By the structure of teeth and by the structure of snout, they are different. Okay, look here. You can see here alligator and crocodile. You can see here structure of teeth in alligator is very pointy. Look here, you can see here pointy, like thorn like. Look here, thorn like. But teeth of crocodile is like saw, like saw. Look here, zigzag saw, like saw. Saw means karoti. And look at the snout. Look at the snout. Snout of alligator is smooth and sharp, and snout of crocodile is rough and it is a little bit flat. Okay, a little bit flat. In this way, crocodile and alligator looks similar, but there is a little bit different. This one, first one is alligator. Mm, Look, this is alligator, this is crocodile. Alligator has a little bit pointed snout. Look at the teeth. Look at teeth. And this crocodile has a little bit flat snout, a little bit flat, and uh, uh, skin is a little bit rough. And look at the teeth, very big, strong teeth are there. And these are few examples, few differences between alligator and crocodile. Okay, then these another examples, turtles are also that reptiles. Okay, these are just examples only. These are also reptiles. They have legs, but they cannot walk. They creep on the ground by their chest. By this chest, they creep on the ground. Okay, these are examples only. Snakes also reptiles. Snake also reptiles. They don't have legs. They creep on the ground by their body. Yes. Uh, Look here, snakes. These are also reptiles. They creep on the ground by their body and uh, they don't have external legs. This king cobra, here is one very poisonous snake. Actually, it is found in Africa. Lizard is also